Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to use AI agents for automated LinkedIn article curation and posting. So here, as a business strategist, I need to regularly post articles for my audience on LinkedIn, and I'm collecting these articles through RSS feeds. But doing it manually every time and processing the articles and posting them on LinkedIn is a time-consuming process. Therefore, I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of my AI agent, that is OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. Now, every time a new feed related to business is going to be received through RSS by Pabbly, automatically that feed is going to be converted into an article and it is going to be posted on my LinkedIn page. Now, to automate this entire process, I'm not going to use any kind of coding and programming skills. I will be connecting all these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, we are going to learn step by step how to automate the entire process of LinkedIn article curation with the help of AI agent and Pabbly Connect. So here, as a business strategist, I need to regularly and consistently share articles related to new business feeds on my LinkedIn handle. But doing it manually every time is a time-consuming process, so I have decided to collect the feeds, the news through RSS feeds, and I want to directly post these RSS feeds on my LinkedIn page in the form of small articles. But here, in order to automate this process, I will have to build the connection between RSS by Pabbly, OpenAI, by using which I want to curate my article, and LinkedIn, where I'm going to post this article. But here, to build this connection, we are not going to use any kind of coding and programming skills, but we are going to set up the connection with the help of Pabbly Connect. To start with the process, in a new tab, we need to type pabbly.com/connect in our browser. It is going to take us towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect, where we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all app section where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create the automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. Now it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all the workflows that we have created. And also we can create separate folders to save the workflow separately and accordingly. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appear in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Use AI agents for automated LinkedIn article curation and posting with Pabbly. After giving the name to my workflow, now I'm going to select the folder. So I have a list of folders over here. Among these folders, the automation which I'm going to create currently is related to AI. So I have selected AI automations as my folder. And now I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, the workflow is created successfully. On a new screen, we have a blank workflow which we have to fill up to completely set up this automation. So here we have trigger and actions that are extremely important windows. Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which entire automation works. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose here I want that every time a new feed is going to be received through RSS by Pabbly related to the business which I can share on LinkedIn, automatically the response will be captured, and as the response will be captured through RSS by Pabbly, my AI agent, that is OpenAI, is going to curate the article and convert it into LinkedIn post. So for that, here I'm going to take RSS by Pabbly in trigger and OpenAI, that is my AI agent, in my action step. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, so we'll see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands, because when the trigger happens, that means when a new response will be captured through RSS by Pabbly, then only the article of that new news feed is going to be curated and will be converted into LinkedIn post, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger in action, let us start creating this automation step by step. So let's go towards our trigger step first of all, and we will select RSS by Pabbly as our trigger application. Now we will select the trigger event that will be new item in feed. So here I have selected that. Now we are going to build the connection between RSS by Pabbly and Pabbly Connect, and over here we have to select the feed URL. So you can select any of the feed. For example, here to collect the business news, I am using NDTV RSS feed. So here I am going to simply go towards business section And I'm going to simply copy this RSS feed URL from here, and I will go back and paste it over here like this. Now here we have to select the filter. So I'm going to select default filter over here, and I'm going to click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, the recent title is received, recent news is received over here, the description is also over here, and we have the link. Now by using these details, we are going to curate the article. So for that, we are going to build the connection between our OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. Let's go towards our action step. We will select action application as OpenAI. And if you are using any other AI application as your AI agent, you can also select that over here. Then we have to select the action event. So here I'm going to use ChatGPT to curate the article. I'm going to click on connect. To build the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect, you can see that we have two options: add new connection and select existing connection. So in case if you already have an existing connection with OpenAI, just quickly go with that. But to create a new connection, keep logging to your OpenAI account, as I am already logged in. Now here we have to provide the token. To get the token, click on this hyperlink. It will redirect you towards the API key page of OpenAI. Here you can click on this create new secret key button, and you can add a name to your key. You can select the project, and you can simply click on create secret key button. Your key is ready. Let's go back and paste it over here like this. Then you will click on save. Your connection will be successfully built. I have already built the connection earlier, so I'm going to currently go with my existing connection only. One more thing I have to tell you, that because RSS is based on 1 hour of polling time, whenever a new feed will be updated in the website which you have entered, after 1 hour the response is going to be captured. So we have polling time of 1 hour. Currently, when we have clicked on save and send test request button, we have received a response of the last post which was updated on this particular date. All right, so let's move forward now. Here we have to select the model by using which we want to generate the content. So the model is going to be ChatGPT 4o mini. If you want, you can also select any other model. Then here we have to move forward towards a very important and the highlight step of this automation, that is prompt. Prompt is the command which we need to provide to our AI agent, that what we actually wanted to do for us. Our objective is to curate the article and post it on LinkedIn. And we have received the details from RSS by Pabbly related to the business news. We are going to provide the details of that news which we have received over here in the prompt. Your prompt should be well instructed, on point and clear. Then only you are going to generate the article as you want. And also you have to include what all details you do not want in your content to be generated, such as any specific words, symbols, hashtag, anything. Okay, so here we have the prompt. You are a LinkedIn content writer for a professional audience. Using the article title and link below, write a short engaging LinkedIn post that includes a strong first line hook or insight, a 2-3 sentence summary of article's key point or value, a professional and conversational tone, up to 3 relevant hashtags. A clear call to action should also be there, optional, like what are your thoughts. Article title is going to be entered over here, and also the article link. So here I'm going to quickly enter the title which I have received from my RSS feed response. This is the title. Directly I'm going to insert it like this from the previous step, and also I'm going to insert the link of the feed. So here we have the link of the feed. As we have inserted these details from the previous step, they have become dynamic, and with each and every new response, automatically they are going to replace now. So every time I'm going to receive a new response from RSS by Pabbly, these details will get replaced, and then I will be able to automate the entire process of article curation and posting on LinkedIn. Now let's click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, here we have received a response. It has provided us with a perfect article which can be directly posted on LinkedIn. So now I'm going to build the connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect. For that, let's click on this add action step button. Our action application over here will be LinkedIn. Let's select that. And our action event over here will be to share simple text. Let's click on connect. I will go with existing connection only, as I've already built the connection earlier with my LinkedIn account. As we have built the connection, now here the author is already selected. We just have to post the content that we have received, and we are going to click on save and send test request button. The visibility is public already because I just want to publish the post. Here we have received the response. It is providing us the ID. So I'm going to take you towards LinkedIn. Over here, when we'll go towards the me section, and we have post and activity. So you can see that here our post is created. So my article that I've received from RSS feed is automatically shared on LinkedIn. So you can see that we have successfully created this automation, and now you can also automate the entire process of LinkedIn article curation and posting with the help of your AI agent and Pabbly Connect. Now thank you for watching the video. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.